What is up, YouTube? I'm back on the Des Plaines River. The river went up about a foot since the last time I was here, which was 2 days ago. The temps have dropped from about 65 degrees to about 35, so 30-degree change. And it's windy today. It's about 12 miles an hour northwest wind. That doesn't mean the pike won't be striking. The water clarity is rough. It's pretty murky. So I'm going to be using my best murky water condition fly, which is my dirty carp fly, with a rattle so they can hear it a little better. And also I'm going to be using it on my bait caster with my inline fly adapter. So this blade will actually give off a lot of turbulence. So it's going to make this fly more noticeable. It's going to be easier for the pike to find it. So that's what I usually go with when the water is murky. I could just throw this on the fly rod, but I think with this blade spinning creates a lot of turbulence in the water, which lets the pike feel it with their lateral lines. So we'll see how that works for us today. On days like this, it is a little bit, rough to fish because the water clarity is so low, but you never know. Sometimes on days like this I catch some of my biggest fish, and sometimes I catch a lot of numbers. So we'll see when we get down there. So definitely the water is up, the river is flowing quicker, so the pike are going to be in those calm water areas like the bays. They're not really going to be fighting with the current, but I will fish both sides of the river and we will see what we can catch. I can really hear the power lines right now. Back to the wind is the way to be. But we gotta make some casts on the inside over here, where I think there will be some pike. Where I think there will be some hungry river pike. I like to take all the weeds off. When there's like over 10-mile-an-hour winds like today, I like to work the less windy side, just much easier to cast. And I can also make very long casts out to the middle of this inlet. So usually that's what I do. Everyone has a different mindset when it comes to pike fishing. And what I suggest is just trying different methods if nothing is working. Always switch it up, cast in different areas, and cast with a lure that you know has worked for you in the past, like that. There's the pike. Let's get this drag out so he can run a little bit. Let's help him out. Oh, it's a fat one. It is a fat pike. Let's get him in the net. It's probably a 32 incher or so, maybe bigger. Yes! That's what I'm talking about! Woo! Big pike! Yes! It's alright, buddy. We're gonna free you. This is a very nice, strong river pike here. Holy cow, he's fat. So let's get him unhooked first. Now he's rolling around like a freaking... He's doing the turbo rolls. He's a big guy. He's strong. Is he only on the stinger hook? Yes, he is. And now he's off. Caught on the stinger hook. That's why I love using the stinger hooks in the net. Let's take a look at him if he lets me. Wow, what a tank. An absolute tank.